Hey family, special request from my aunt. So let's get started. I'm not going to do a full long video because if you watch the video where I made the sweet potato pies, same concept, only instead of using sweet potato pie batter, I'm using the Lucky Leaf peach, what is it, fruit filling or topping, and I'm using the Grand's butter tasting biscuits. And another difference, I'm going to put it in the air fryer. I'm not going to bake these this time. Okay, so I'll show the process of rolling out 1 or 2 biscuits, and then I'll put them in the air fryer, and I'll show myself filling it with the filling. I'm going to use enough filling this time, and then I'll put them in the air fryer, and I'll show you the end product. I am not going to taste test these because I don't like peaches like that. My aunt and younger brother and the uncle, they love it, but sis and I, no, we don't. So, I need one other thing. Oh, I have all my peaches here. It's 2 cans of the Lucky Leaf, and I chopped them up with a pair of scissors. I need something to sit the finished pies on before I fry them. I need this brush so that I can, any excess flour, I can brush it off. And then I will wash it. I'll melt some butter and we'll put that on them when they're done. Sit that there. And this container is 8 biscuits in here. Put some filling in here. And again, this peach filling, they were halves of peaches, and I cut them up so that they would be into pieces instead of the half of peaches, because I'm like, heck, you probably get maybe 2 or 3 halves in there and that's it. And once I get about 4 of these made, that's when I'm going to turn the air fryer on and let it preheat. Here I have 7 pies. I have 5 in the air fryer now, so I ended up with 17. I had to open another container. Is that right? I got 5 in there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I ended up with 12 pies. Next time you see me, I'll be done and I'll show you the finished product. Here they are, family. All done. These first few are the ones that, cook too fast on me. These, I kept a better eye on them so they didn't get as brown. But, can you hear that? It's a bit of a crispier texture. It's not as soft or doughy when you bake them in the oven. So I think I like that. Here's the first to batch out, and I got some melted butter to rub on them. This will help keep them soft. They cooked about 9 to 10 minutes at 400. They cooked a lot quicker than I thought they would. Let me do one of these already. I'll show you the other side. See, this was the first side I had up and it cooked so fast. That was after 5 minutes. But anyway, I'll let you know how my brother and my aunt think of them when they eat them. But that's it. 2 cans of peach filling, can and a half of Grand's biscuits. There's 8 biscuits in each can, and a little bit of butter, right? I didn't put anything else in there. I'm not gonna sprinkle them with the powdered sugar. I think this is enough. Special requests, and it's done. Easy peasy, quick and to the point. Limited ingredients. Can't get any easier than that, right? Thanks for coming along, family. Appreciate you all. Like this video. Leave a comment. What kind of pies do you make using biscuits and any kind of pie filling? Blueberry, cherry, apple, peaches? Let me know. Subscribe to the channel and let your friends and families tell them about it too. Subscribe to the channel. I'd like to get to 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So that gives me a little over 2 months. We can do that, family. Let's do it together. Till the next video, all the best to you and yours. Bye for now. Only for a little bit, because I will come back and film what they say about it, or at least put a little blurb in the video. Okay. Love ya. Bye for now.